Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Card Pro Editor easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Card at www.cardi.co. Once the home page loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you need to enter your registered email address. After entering your email, move to the password field. Type in your password associated with the account. If you want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once you've filled in your credentials, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your card dashboard. From your dashboard, look for the Edit button next to your project. Click on this button to open the Card Pro Editor. Now you are ready to make changes to your site using the editor. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. For additional help, consider resetting your password via the Forgot Password link. That's it. You are now logged into the Card Pro Editor and can start editing your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.